Hello and welcome. I have Tanmay with me. Congratulations, Tanmay. You qualified your UGC NET exam not once but twice, once in 2018 and then again in 2019. So,
Yes,
how are you feeling about qualifying this tough exam twice?
it feels great. But having said that, I do have to clear my JRF, so I'll be attempting it this year once again, and I'll be more happier if I crack the JRF along with the assistant professor.
Sounds good to me. So, tell us more about yourself. Where were you born and where did you pursue your education from?
So I was born in Ambernath, which is in Thane district, and I have done my schooling from Carmel Convent High School, and I have a master's degree in management from MIT Institute of Management, University of Mumbai. Currently, I'm working at Willis Towers Watson as an analyst. It is in reinsurance section, and I'm part of the financial advisory team there.
Great. So, going into the details of your preparation, because you've done it twice, what do you suggest that paper one and paper two hold equal importance as in terms of preparation, or one requires more effort than the other?
I think for me, paper two preparation requires more effort because it goes into the subject knowledge for the management category, and there are different subjects. So I have done my specialization in finance. So the finance part was relatively easy for me, and having been preparing for CFA exams, the portion for finance and the CFA exams was a bit similar. So in that way, I had to focus less on the finance part of the paper two, but I had to focus more on other subjects like human resource management, marketing, organizational behavior, and other such subjects. So that is where I had to spend more time preparing rather than finance. And for paper one, the aptitude section was relatively easier for me because having given a lot of Indian exams like CAT, CET, that was a bit easy for me. The teaching aptitude, I had to work on it. So that was something for the paper one.
That's amazing. So, when it comes to giving some advice to students who are going to sit for this exam in future, what advice can you give? Because management is a vast subject, and to deal with such a vast subject, you must have had some tricks and tips. Could you share them with others?
Yes. So the material for the management subject is vast for the paper two. There are a lot of subjects, and you will not find a single source where you can get it everything under one book. So you have to refer multiple books. So as I said, mentioned earlier that my preparation for the finance section was done by my CFA preparation. But for the other subjects like organization behavior, marketing management, or labor laws, I made use of Lumen Peritas notes. So these are a very comprehensive and detailed notes. So that helped me in those sections. So these were the weaker sections for me because I have done that in my first year MBA. After that, I had lost touch with those subjects. So to again understand, read, and clear them in the exams. So these notes helped me. Also for paper one, the aptitude part is a bit easier compared to other Indian exams. But you have to focus on research aptitude and teaching aptitude. That is where you can score over others. And other important thing is in the exams, you should be able to delete options. That means suppose if you are not 100% sure of a particular questions, but you have idea of some of the options, then you can use the option elimination strategy, which worked wonderfully for me. So there were a few questions where I did not have a complete knowledge about the questions, but I knew about I had some knowledge about few options. So I eliminated those options, and hopefully it went well. So this is one strategy that students can adopt.
And going deep into the subjects in paper two, like you have vast knowledge about finance. So, do you think someone who's not good at it, and what can they do if they don't understand finance? Like science students have a background that makes it difficult for them. So, do you have any suggestions how they can still score a few questions without the strong base that they don't have?
Like I said, that I preferred Human Veritas notes. They are comprehensive notes, and it will be easier for them to understand. Besides this, you can go through YouTube videos of the lectures. There are a lot of material available on the internet. So once you know the topic, once you know what structure I have to follow, then preparing it becomes easier. So when I started it, it was all discrete. I did not have a clear understanding of what to prepare. So if you prepare randomly, it may not, the things might not end up how you want them to be. So first you need to get a detailed structure of what the syllabus is. Once you have the syllabus, then breaking into smaller units becomes easier. So first you collect the syllabus, identify your strong areas, read through them, and for the difficult subjects you can access YouTube videos, take guidance from the internet. There are a lot of sources available on the internet. You just have, once you know what areas to focus on, then the things becomes easier.
Very well said, and I think all those tips are very, very helpful. Thank you for taking out time and speaking with us today, and we wish you all the best for your JRF, and I'm sure you will get it. Thank you so much for connecting with us today.
Thank you very much.